Let us discuss question number 8 from exercise number 2.2. Three consecutive integers are such that when they are taken in increasing order and multiplied by 2, 3 and 4 respectively, they add up to 74. Find these numbers. We have to find out the three consecutive integers only in this question, but we don't know what are the numbers. For example, let us take first integer is 1, so that next consecutive integer will be 2, next consecutive integer will be 3. So like this we can write the consecutive integers. But in general, if I wanted to write, suppose if I take the first number as x, next number will be, see how you are getting to, by adding 1 to the preceding number you are going to get the second integer. Same, 1 plus 1 will give 2. If 1 is represented as x, so 2 will be represented as x plus 1. Now 3. What is the relationship between 3 and 1? Let us see. 1 plus 2 will give 3. First number plus 2 will give the third number. If first number is x, third number will be first number plus 2. So the three consecutive integers general form we can write as x, one as x, another one as x plus 1, third one as x plus 2. So in solution, let the three consecutive integers which are taken in increasing order, here clearly mentioned that we should take them in increasing order only. So which are taken in increasing order are, first one is x, next one is x plus 1, third one is x plus 2. After taking them in increasing order, as per the question, multiply by 2, 3 and 4 respectively. That means three numbers are, these three integers are multiplied by another three numbers. That means respectively word is mentioned. First one is multiplied by 2, second integer is multiplied by 3, third integer is multiplied by 4. This is the way we have to solve the question. So first number is x, x is multiplied by 2, so 2 into x. Second number is x plus 1 is multiplied by 3, 3 into x plus 1. Third number is x plus 2, that is multiplied by 4, so 4 into x plus 2. Till now it is over. Coming to the question, they add up to 74. That means after multiplying these three consecutive integers with the 2, 3 and 4 respectively, finally if you are adding those numbers you will get 74. That means first integer into 2, second integer into 3, third integer into 4. After multiplication, add those three integers. Now you will get 74. This is our question information. 2 into x is 2x plus 3 into x. 3 into x is 3x. 3 into 1. So 1 is also multiplied with 3. So inside the bracket how many terms are there? Those all the terms are multiplied with the 3. 3 into x is 3x. 3 into 1 is 3. Next, plus means plus. 4 into x is 4x. 4 into 2 is 8. 4 into is nothing, bracket is nothing but multiplication. 4 into x is 4x. 4 into 2 is 8. That is equals to 74. Now let us add up to x terms only. 2x plus 3x is 5x plus 4x is 9x. 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 4 9. Now go to the numbers. 3 plus 8, only the two numbers are here. 3 plus 8 is 11, that equals to 74. Plus 11 is transposed to right hand side, so it will become as minus 11. 74 minus 11, 4 minus 1 is 3, 7 minus 1 is 6. So 9x equal to 63, x equal to 63 by 9. So 9 is multiplying, it will goes to the side, it will divide 63 divided by 9. 9 one time, 9 7 times 63. 7 by 1 is nothing but 7. So x equal to 7. Once x value is declared, if you wanted to know more what are the other two integers, first integer is x, so x value you got. Now you wanted to find out what is x plus 1 and what is x plus 2. So first integer x is nothing but 7. Second integer is x plus 1, so that is 7. X value is 7 plus 1, that is 8. Third integer will be x plus 2, x value is 7 plus 2, 7 plus 2 is 9. So the required numbers are 7, 8 and 9. If your answer is correct or not, checking process. Let us see checking also. Check. 3 consecutive integers which are taken in increasing order only. So these are in increasing order only. 7 after 8, 8 after 9, increasing order only. And multiply by 2, 3 and 4 respectively. That means first number is multiplied by 2, second number is multiplied by 3, third number is multiplied by 4. And after multiplication, add all those numbers, you will get 74. If you get 74, then it is correct. Otherwise it is wrong. First number is multiplied by 2. So 2 into 7, that equal to 14. Next number is multiplied by 3. So 3 into next number is 8. 3 into 8, 24. Third integer is multiplied with 4. 4 into 9, 36. So after multiplying these 3 integers with 2, 3, 4 respectively, and if you add the answers, you should get 74. 6 plus 4, 10 plus 4, 14. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2, 4 plus 3, 7. 74. Are you getting 74? Yes, you are getting 74. Add up to 74 only. So problem is solved.